Viper Auto Valet down at the Viper Detailing Barn. Just had delivered today these display ramps, which I've purchased with the intention of offering chassis cleaning and undersealing. I'm looking at other methods to do the undersealing because I don't think this is the appropriate tool to do that on, but time will tell, because they're fully mobile, so I can bring them inside and use them alongside my scissor lift. So that's something I'm thinking about, the right method to do the undersealing. But this is what I've purchased to do the chassis cleaning. I've experimented on it today, just on one of my own cars, just to see how scary it was driving it up there. Not too bad. It was a bit nerve-wracking to start with, but that's why I've purchased this tool. And I've had this now for quite a while, a really nice hot pressure washer, and it's really been underutilised, so this is a perfect opportunity to have the right tool as well as the lifts to enable me to offer chassis cleaning. It could also be used mobile. The Viper van has got a tow bar fitted on it. I just don't have a trailer for it yet, but if I was to purchase the correct trailer, then I could take the ramps with me and the pressure washer, because that's kind of pretty much all you need to do the chassis cleaning. If you want to start doing undersealing, then that would definitely need to be done at the Viper Detailing Barn, but for now this is all that's needed. This is one of my own cars, so I've done under here. I'll try and show you. It's difficult to see, but I'm very impressed. Not completed, and there's some experimentation to be done to get the most out of the lift or the ramp and the pressure washer, but that's just a question of really working quite methodically. On this occasion I wasn't working methodically, I was just enjoying myself, I will be honest. But I should imagine, well, I know that if I was to do this job and work front to back and then back to front and tackle it from both sides as well, it would really do a terrific job with the heat from the pressure washer and the traffic film remover. It really has done a good job, I can see that already. So hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I've put a little microphone on. Yeah, very excited about this new tool, new adventure for Viper Auto Valet. There we go, Viper Auto Valet down at the Detailing Barn. More videos to come.